What is the story with the Miele Duoflex cat and dog model? Miele is a German company that makes high-end appliances. They just celebrated their 125th year anniversary. The Duoflex cat and dog is part of a series that is the newest addition to their stick vacuum cleaner models. Now these are simple machines, they are easy to use, and they're priced in a way that is perfect for someone who's budget conscious but still wants that top-notch quality. The Duoflex cat and dog gets the same tools that the base model gets, which is the vacuum itself, a charger. It does get a couple of extras though, which I will leave to the last. I'll show you the accessory tools that are standard with it first. You get a dusting brush, you get a crevice tool, and you get a nice wide upholstery tool. You get a caddy, whichever two tools you use most of, you would place here, and now they are within reach anytime you want them, and the other tool can sit where you want it. Now this is a little brush that's motorized. It goes at the end of the handle here, and it rotates really nice for removing pet hair from furniture and upholstery. It also works really good if you have runners, carpeted stairs, and also could be used in a car. Last but not least, you get a speed lock mount with this. What is a speed lock mount? Let me show you. When you attach this onto the wall, this allows you to, if you're using here, so now we're going to use our imaginations because I'm not actually going to attach this on the wall. Oh, there we go. So if we have this sitting on the wall and I want to use it in a handheld configuration to get something off the couch, I don't have to take the whole thing off. I can just pull out the top part and I can use it wherever I want. If I wanted to use the whole vacuum, and this is attached to the wall, this makes it real easy for me to do that. This model is perfect for somebody who's got a little bit of pet hair to deal with, whether it's on upholstery and furniture or maybe in the car. You're using this for your daily pickups, quick pickups around the house. If you're using or considering to use this as a primary vacuum, it's powerful enough, that's not an issue, as long as two things. One, you can finish vacuuming typically in the 20-25 minute range, which is how long the battery will last when using it on floors. And also, capacity on this is just about 300 milliliters, so you want to take that into consideration. Now, in order to show you how well it works, powerful of a machine it is, we're going to get you some sand, and we got 3 different types of floors. This is just really quick. Again, power is not going to be something you'd have an issue with these machines. They are really good. On bare floors, flat rugs, that's your, let's say your entry-level mats and things like that, and also rather plush carpet there. We're going to use it on its normal, just regular suction. Oh, one thing you will even probably hear is that head is really smart. It'll detect if it's on a carpet or rug. It'll start spinning faster. You can even hear a change in the way it sounds. There we go. Perfect. We have edge-to-edge cleaning, so you don't have to hit your corners. Wonderful. This can lift this rug up really easy. All right, I think that carpet is making it too heavy. But let's now consider right here. See, you even get lines on these carpets. Wonderful. None of that we used the boost feature for. Now we're going to put some sand on this chair and also some under it, because I want to show you it is really maneuverable under things. The neck pivot's really nice. So let's try it here first. You see, it's just super easy. Again, all of this is just with the regular suction. We didn't turn on the boost. But also here, pretty flat. Wonderful. To get that dirt over on that chair, you have the upholstery tool, or remember, this is a cat and dog model. The reason we call it that is because it comes with this brush roll. I'm going to show you something about this brush roll too, by the way. But regular suction, no boost required, and easy peasy. Okay, but here's what I wanted to show you. Really easy. Here's what I wanted to show you. This brush roll also is very easy to maintain. You would see there's a lock and an unlock here. So you could just turn it into an unlock. You don't have to use tools or anything. Lift up this cap. There we go. And release. So you could even, if there's pet hair stuck here, very easily accessible. Well, it's called a Duoflex, so it does at least two things, Duoflex. One is your typical stick vacuum handheld configuration, and the other one is the full configuration on floors. So above floor cleaning, dusting, furniture, beds, your car, and also any type of floors. There are two suction settings with the Duoflex cat and dog, regular and boost. I find on floors, your regular suction setting is just fine. The brush roll is helping with picking up whatever, and it's a powerful enough machine anyways. When I'm using it in a handheld configuration for dusting or, above floor surfaces, I sometimes find the boost would be really nice and powerful option to use. Now, the literature on this says 50 minutes of runtime, but there's a caveat to this. That's calculated on the vacuum when it's used in a handheld configuration for above a floor, like for dusting or cars or whatever. If you're using it on the floor, my personal experience, using it on a variety of carpets, bare floors, and area rugs, it gives you a good solid 20-25 minutes on floors. It takes about 3.5 hours to get charged. But I have to say, it is a very powerful machine. It weighs 3.1 kilograms or just under 7 pounds. Lightweight, easy to use. One of the most important things about a stick vacuum, especially the bagless sticks, is emptying or disposing of the dirt. One of the first things you'll notice is when you want to do that, it's easiest to do it in a handheld configuration. So you remove the top from the wand. You take this over onto a trash can or whatever. Open that, press this button, that lid opens up, and there you go. Now you could remove that internal filter as well. There's a mesh filter. You can also clean this. You'll turn the unit over, and on the side it's a brush that's meant to be used for cleaning this filter. Very easy to put this back on. There is another filter that's situated at the top of the machine right here. As far as cleaning, if you read the manual, you'll see it says for you to clean the filter, turn the cap clockwise. All it's doing is, that's the internal filter. You're not supposed to wash this. You're not supposed to use a brush for it. All you do is get rid of the fine dust that may gather here, and which you do that by turning it. So that's pretty much it. Really easy, no problems there. Now, if you are considering one of these machines, the Duoflex cat and dog, you may have pet hair, and pet hair does tend to require maintenance for the brush roll. Really easy. It's a very thoughtful design. They have an unlock button right here. You turn this cap, and that's how easy you have access to the brush roll. So if there's pet hair stuck anywhere or gathered up here, you could cut it, you could remove it, you could wash this. Make sure you take this out, this cap here, and make sure this is clean. Pet hair does tend to get stuck there. If it does, it can seize the brush roll. Very easy to put back right here. There isn't much more of a maintenance required with this, and this just falls into place, and that's it. Reliability is the least of our worries here. This is a Miele product at the end of the day. The best warranty you can get in the business for a stick vacuum is offered to you right here. It's a 5-year warranty on all parts and components out of the box. 7 years on the motor and 2 years on the battery. I hope by now you have enough information to decide whether the Duoflex cat and dog is the right model for you. But the next question should be, well, why should I buy it from Vacuum Warehouse? Well, we are and have been a Miele dealer, service center, and a warranty center since 1996. So if nothing else, we know Miele vacuums, and we are here after your purchase for any questions, any support, whether warranty or service related, for years to come. This makes this purchase experience completely different than just some off-the-shelf at a department store type of a purchase. If that's not enough for you, we do offer a full 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the product, 90-day price match guarantee, you get free shipping, you get videos to help you use the machine before you even get it. So there's no surprises, right? And we also offer financing. Now, if there's any questions, if anything I missed, 1-877-220-5656 or chat with us at vacuumwarehouse.ca.